welcome back. This is my Nissan. Can't wait to drive it. And we're gonna change the tires and like raise the height. This is what we're gonna do, maybe. And it's very tall, so I will not help for doing this tall thing. Just my daddy will help me. That's my memories. And that's my daddy's. And that's my mom's. And this is mine. So I'm very happy that I'm going to drive it. 5 years old. So I love you guys. Bye. Oh, lift down. Lift up. Little high. Okay, we're gonna use this fan around to raise the car. Okay, we're gonna put tape as a marking point. We always wear eye protection. So,
Nice. Very good. You want me to do it now?
no.
I'll do it.
I will do it.
Are you sure?
Yes. There you go. I'm tightening the bottom. Get your tools, tighten it more.
Good?
Nope. So walking here.
Let me know when you want me to do it.
Okay. I'm really fixing my car because this is my car.